All right, my name is Tom Traplin, and I am here with Ardent Mortgages, and today we're going to talk a little bit about credit and first-time home buyers. So, knowing your credit is it's like your position on a map. You know, you can't know where you're going without knowing where you are right now. And for first-time home buyers, your credit is going to impact what lenders you can work with, your interest rate, your mortgage payment, what kind of mortgage you can access, all sorts of things. Having a good credit score can actually mean the difference in paying thousands of extra dollars in interest or not. It can also mean the difference in whether or not a lender just flat out turns you down. So obviously your credit is very important. Well, here are 3 quick tips that you can use to improve your credit score in the next 30 to 90 days so you can get the house of your dreams. Number 1, pay your bills on time, even if it's just the minimum payment. A consistent history is a positive factor in your credit score. Number 2, keep your balances below 50% of your credit limit. Even if you make those regular payments, having a balance over 50% will actually suppress your credit score. Move balances around if you have to, at least in the short term, even if you end up paying a little bit more in interest because your score will jump up as long as you keep them under that 50% limit. And number 3, a good thing to note, applying for credit lowers your score. The more lenders you talk to for your mortgage, the more inquiries that'll be on your credit report, the lower your score. Each one is an impact. This is one of those key advantages to working with a mortgage brokerage like ours, like Ardent Mortgages, instead of your bank, because on top of the better rates and more products, we only pull your credit score the one time, so that's it. And on that note, if you're in the market to buy a home in the next few months, you should really check out the new Ardent Mortgages prequalification tool. You can find out how much mortgage you can access, and you even get a nice little nifty certificate you can use to help with shopping for a home that'll tell you exactly what mortgage amount you can afford. And as a nice little added bonus, you get a free credit score, one that won't impact your credit score at all. It's considered a light touch, and they've got a special deal with Equifax that it does not show up in your credit report, so it doesn't have those negative effects that we were just talking about. And it's all completely free. All you have to do is go to ardentmortgages.ca/qualified. It'll also be in the description for the video, and you can also see it down here at the bottom of your screen. So ardentmortgages.ca/qualified, and you can go and get your pre-qualification today. And best part, it only takes 5 minutes.